Huff, and we're seeking sunshine in Rock Springs, Arizona. Rock Springs is just about a half an hour north of Phoenix.
The Rock Springs Cafe is known for their delicious homemade pies. There are lots of awesome flavors to choose from, but I'll let you pick your favorite.
Hi, can you get one slice of regular cherry pie and then one slice of blueberry plum? Thank you. Very good choice. In the early history of Rock Springs, this used to be an encampment area for the Yavapai Native Americans. After that, it was a stagecoach stop with people coming along to get water. It's been in Arizona history for a while, so it's funny that we just can stop by the side of the road and really get a little piece of Arizona history that you didn't even know was here. Rock Springs stop is a really small little place. There's a lot of nice things to do. You have the cafe that's inside, so if you want to get something to eat, and then you can have your pie after. There's also a small little bar with a historic original bar that they actually have there, which is pretty cool to check out. They've got a nature walk, they've got a small little waterfall over there. This is a whole event space that people can rent out. There's shops where you can buy local products and some Native American items. So just a really cute roadside stop for you to get some Arizona flavor in your trip. Our stop at Rock Springs just goes to show that you never know what you're going to find when you see a sign that says, "Stop here for pie," which we did. So you have some beautiful scenery here. You've got historical things, you've got cute little shops, you've got a bed and breakfast, of course world famous pie. So when you're driving along the side of the road and you see a cool stop, think of me, Heather, with Seeking Sunshine, and you may find a gem yourself. Get off your couch, get out of the living room, and go have some pie. I'm Heather with Seeking Sunshine, and I'll see you at our next stop.